What would you be thinking in terms of asset allocation and portfolio allocation towards mainland Chinese markets?
And recently, quite encouragingly, actually, more clients are actually asking about China. But then one thing is that we see the macro data have been relatively mixed, probably because of some of the catalysts like the structural imbalances that continues, deflation worries, and also the weak consumer confidence. And also, property market-wise, the recovery seems to be a bit muted, especially how we see the price declines continue. But we believe for the rest of this year, the home price declines will continue, but then will at a gradual pace. And also, we continue to see, given how we see the escalation in the trade tariffs between China and U.S., that suggests that there shouldn't be continuous depreciation pressure on the RMB. And so this should contribute to further potential rate cuts and also RL cuts to support the Chinese economy.
That's actually a really good point about the tariff negotiations or trade negotiations upcoming between the US and China. How much should investors pay attention to this? And I guess the question is, like, how much does it really matter for macroeconomic projections and future earnings projections for corporate China?
Indeed. Right now, I guess a lot of the analysts that we speak to, they find it a bit hard. It's not just within China, but across the world, find it a bit hard to actually do earnings revisions given the uncertainty and also how volatile the markets have been. But then given recently, there has been de-escalation that is encouraging, but then it's still ongoing, suggesting that there will still be further uncertainty and volatility in the market. So going forward, we'll focus more on companies that deliver high dividends and probably those more in the defensive sectors or policy supportive sectors, especially those that are probably insensitive to tariffs, given how tariff discussion is still ongoing, and right now it's just a 90 days break or pause, so there will still be uncertainty stirring up the market going forward.